Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Amgs World and my name is Aloncha Cases. For those of you that don't know me, for those of you that are returning, thank you. Welcome back. And if you're new here, the obvious thing to do is to subscribe, because why are you watching me if you're not subscribed? As you guys can tell by the title of this video, we're actually doing something very exciting today, like very exciting. Today we're gonna be doing DIY Spotify plaques. If you don't know what that is, here's an example. And we will be doing that. We'll be doing it together. You know, I decided to plug you because I'm nice like that. I know you guys have been sabawelling when you see people posting with their oholes and the gifts they get from their oholes. I know you guys have been sabawelling. So I decided to come through for my family. So we're gonna DIY. So in order to do this, I'm gonna show you guys what you need, but I'm gonna have to constantly turn because I have to get the things that you guys will need. Okay, so you will need a big scissor. You will need markers. I have two because I'm scared the one's gonna dry out while I'm using it. You're gonna need sellotape. You're gonna need a ruler and a pen. And then most importantly, you're gonna need two frames. Two of these. So I got the frames at Crazy Store. They were $52 each. And then I got the two markers from Brock. The thicker marker was $24 and the thinner one was $21. You're also going to need, where did I put it? You're going to need the pictures you want to use. And then what I did to make things easier for me is I printed out the Spotify screenshot. Basically, I printed it out on A4. I printed it out in black and white because it's gonna be more clear for me when I decide to work with it. Yeah, what you can do if you want the screenshots is you go onto Spotify or any music player that you have. Then you just take a screenshot of the favorite song you want. You go to PixArt and then you replace it with the picture that you want. Then you just print it out. It was easier for me that way. I'm just now realizing that I forgot to tell you guys where I got the stickers made. So these are two stickers, two different ones. Clearly, you guys can see. I had them made at Shabona. It's this printing place in Mondesaman. They charged me, was it 50? Yeah, they charged me $55 for these two pictures. But it's okay because I wanted to come through for you guys, so it's fine. It's okay. As you guys can see, I'm just opening up my frame. I'm using a scissor to do this because clearly it was gonna be a whole struggle had I just used my fingers. And I don't even know why I'm struggling to remove this plastic because, you know, it looks so easy to do so, but like, hey, yeah, nah, it's hectic. Yeah, so I just threw away the paper. I'm done unwrapping, and now I'm gonna turn around the frame. I'm gonna try to lift the little black whatevers. You guys can see I'm using a scissor because it's stubborn. Like, those things were difficult to lift. They were difficult to lift, but I still pushed through, and I used the help of the scissor to lift them. Now this process is very important because you have to do this in order to get to the glass that's under, the little cardboard that they put there. Now the whole purpose of buying the frame is for the glass, nothing else. So now I'm done. I lift up the cardboard and then I take out the glass piece that I need, because that's literally the only thing I need during this whole piece. I clear up my table and then here I'm showing you guys what I got. I carefully put it down on the table because I don't want it to break. So right here I'm just taking the ruler and my pen. I'm obviously going to measure and then I'm just gonna make sure everything is right in place. I'm just checking for any defaults to make sure everything is straight, and then I'm just gonna mark it so I can know where exactly to cut. I'm gonna lift up my glass, put it on the side, then I'm gonna take my ruler and now I'm just making border lines. There I go, measure, and then I go again, measure. Good. Now I repeat the steps until I get my desired results, and then I'm gonna eventually cut. I'm just here showing you guys how to outline and to show you guys how you should measure so you do not cut too much or too little. Here I take my big scissors and I cut, like, cut it, cut it, cut it. Yeah, I'm definitely very silly. As you guys can see, I'm gonna take my pen. You have to use a thin pointed pen, and I'm just gonna write over the words very carefully because you don't want to go over borders and mess it up. I know it looks like I'm writing super fast, but that's not the case. I just forwarded the videos so that I do not take up too much of your time. Now I'm gonna take my ruler and I'm gonna dry it so that whenever my hand goes over it, I don't mess it up.
The mistake I did was grabbing that little ruler and drawing a line through glass with a marker. It wasted. Ugh. But the good thing is that at least I knew that I can remove the stain with any type of alcohol. So you can use nail polish remover or disinfectant or sanitizer. I used an earbud as or whatever to remove it. Yeah, and it worked perfectly fine. I turned it over and now I'm just going to be removing the sellotape from the glass and hope everything is in place and that it will come out as expected. I'm going to advise you to paste the sticker right on top of the glass and use a ruler to press it down so that your sticker does not have any bubbles underneath it.
I almost forgot to let you guys know that before you try this out, I want you to know that it's not going to be perfect. It's a DIY. You did it yourself. You're not a machine. So don't expect it to have straight lines. Don't expect it to be as good as the ones you see on Pinterest. You have to remember that you did this on your own and this is more valuable than a machine making it. So after about 35 minutes, I am back and I'm here to reveal to you guys what it actually looks like and what we basically created together. So this is the final product. I don't know how to place it without having the ring light in the video, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Yes, we did that. It actually came out better than I expected it to. Like, wow. And it cost me under $100, guys. Under $100. We did that. We did that. We did that. We did that. Can you guys tell the excitement in my face? Like, I'm excited because the whole time I thought it wouldn't go as planned, but it came out so much better. So basically what you do for the one frame is what you do for the other frame. So I'm done with both and I'm gonna show you what they both look like. So here's the finished products after the most anticipated time. Like, it took me a while to do this, but I'm finally done and I'm here to show you guys. So this is how it came out. These are both the frames and stickers I used. It came out better than I thought, you know, like it looks real. It looks like, you know, I paid to have it done. Like, can you see? So that's all for this Like, that's all for today's video. If you guys liked the DIY and you guys liked the comment, come on, comment. If you guys liked the content, please let me know below in the comment section what you guys thought of the DIY and how easy and affordable you think it is. Without further ado, I'm going to close off this video. Thank you guys for watching this far. Thank you for always liking and commenting and obviously subscribing. And I'll see you guys next week when I do another video. Actually, no, I won't see you guys. You guys will see me in my next video. Bye!